Does touching a woman invalidate the wudu? No, as long as it is not with a desire, it doesn't invalidate the wudu. As long as it doesn't lead to sexual discharge, even if it is not the actual sexual discharge, rather the pre-sexual discharge, the madhi. So in this case, touching a woman does not invalidate the wudu, whether this your wife, your aunt, or a woman who is a patient if you're a doctor. Because I'm not going to skip, and hopefully I will not forget to tell you that it is not permissible to touch a woman who is neither your wife nor one of your mahram. Even shaking hands, that is not permissible. In Islam, this is how it is. And the Prophet ﷺ never, ever touched the hand or any body part of a woman who's not lawful for him. And he's our role model, okay? We don't do it because this is the etiquette or because of the reality, and no, we do it because, no, she's not my wife, and she's not my sister either. She's not my daughter. So, hi, how are you? I'm doing fine, I'm okay. Good morning, good evening, verbally, without shaking hands, okay? For a doctor, you need to wear gloves to check on the patient of the opposite gender, and so on, and to have a company, of course. But would that invalidate the wudu? No, it would not invalidate the wudu.